Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. In this video we're gonna heat press some shirts and hats for a group of ladies that like to work out. But before we do that, I just want to remind everybody that we can do promotional products in bulk. So if you have a business that's opening up this summer, we can definitely help you guys out in doing like mugs and shirts and keychains and giveaways and stuff like that. So just send us a comment below and we'll be able to help you guys out. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I did before starting this video was get the artwork approved by the client. I'm separating each logo by the color and trying to see how many logos fit in each 1 yard of material. This way I know exactly how much to get and I'm not really wasting material. Okay, everything's now cut, so we're gonna take the negative space, get rid of that, and only leave the actual print that's gonna get used on the shirt. So in this particular case we're using like a college font with that thin outline, which is a little tough to do because well, the machine can't cut that small detail. When you go and remove that area, weave it out, it takes a little bit of time to do. But overall it came out really nice, especially against the color shirts, and using the white for black and metallic gold for the teal shirts. Alright, let's do the teal shirts with the golden print. They always look really nice, so I'm always happy to be working on colorful shirts like that. Alright, now we're gonna do some hats as well, and for this particular process it was gonna be a little bit too difficult to get the outlines of the text on the hat, so we just decided to omit that, and it makes it easier to apply everything and making sure that the artwork looks the way it needs to be, and we don't have issues down the road. At first, for some reason, the vinyl was not sticking, but then I remember I'm using settings for a different material. So the material that I was using before for the shirts was a turbo vinyl, which means it's like it heats up really with a lower temperature, and it sticks on there with a less time. So it's like 5 seconds, real quick. And I forgot that here for the hats I'm using something that's a little bit longer and it needs a little bit more heat, so I had to readjust my temperature, and of course pressure always really helps to get that vinyl on your material. Hey guys, on a side note, I just want to let you guys know that we can also screen print some shirts. So if you have a business and require a large order of shirts, let me know. We'll be able to definitely help you guys out. Alright, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know what you guys think of the combination of colors. I like the teal with the golden imprint. It looks really nice. Obviously black and white is always classic, so that always works out. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So take it easy for now. Bye bye.